Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to use the scroll to action. We're going to look at what it does, how it works, and how to set it up inside your application. The scroll to action allows you to scroll to a specific position, either horizontally or vertically, or both inside a scroll view. It's perfect for when you want to jump to a specific section of your screen, highlight a form for an error, or show a message to the user. Whether you want to guide the user's attention, you can do this using the scroll to action. In order to show you how this works, we have to add this scroll to action inside a scroll view. So right now I have a basic application. I'm going to click add, then I'm going to search for scroll view. And inside the scroll view, I'm going to add some images. We have 10 images, and I'm going to go to styles. Then I'm going to align this. Then I'm going to add some gap of 20. And once that's done, I'm going to add a button. So this button is what we're going to attach the action to. So when you click the button, you're going to then scroll to a specific part. So right now we have this, and then we have this button. So I'm not going to go to this button. Then I'm going to call it scroll to action. And on the buttons on press, I'm going to search for the scroll to action. I'm going to attach it to the button. Then it's going to ask us for the target component. We're going to pick our scroll view. Then for the X scroll position, we're going to pick 100. Then for Y scroll position, we're going to pick 100. Then you can choose whether you want it to be animated or not. We close this. Right? Then we click scroll to action. As you can see, it scrolls. We go back, change this to 500. We close, we click scroll to action, then it scrolls to that certain point. So that's how it works. So that's how you use the scroll to action in Draftbit. It's super useful for creating guided flows or navigating long screens. Give it a try in your application and see you in the next video.